Hello guys, welcome to Billionaire Noir, where money creates power and power hides secrets. Today we are talking about a man most people didn't even know a few years ago, but now governments want him, billionaires need him, and the AI industry depends on him. This is the dark side of Jensen Huang.
Class of 2026. Everybody's job is different. That's me.
A few years ago, most people knew the names Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg. But behind the scenes, another man was quietly building something even more powerful. Not social media, not electric cars, not rockets. He was building the brains of artificial intelligence. That man was Jensen Huang and his company NVIDIA. At first, NVIDIA made chips for gaming, but then everything changed. When AI exploded, every major company wanted one thing: NVIDIA chips. Without them, many AI systems simply couldn't scale. Suddenly, the same chips powering games were now powering billion-dollar AI empires. Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Meta, everyone wanted access. And as demand exploded, Jensen Huang's fortune skyrocketed. In 2026, he claimed among the world's richest tech billionaires, the Times of India. But money wasn't the scary part, power was. Think about this: if one company controls the chips that power the AI revolution, then who really controls AI? The app creators or the main supply, the technology behind it all? Critics say this is not just a business anymore. This is infrastructure dominance. Because without computing power, AI doesn't exist. And right now, one company sits at the center of it. As AI became a global weapon in economics and geopolitics, Jensen Huang started appearing where CEOs usually don't: global meetings, political trips, international negotiations. Recently, he even joined high-profile US-China business discussions. The Guardian. That's when people started asking, is he just a CEO or one of the most powerful men shaping the future? This is Billionaire Noir, where billionaires don't just make money. They shape the world. Subscribe because the next billionaire's story gets even darker.